Hey you guys, vloggy vlog. Oh my gosh, it's been a long time since I got on here. I know y'all just seen the documentary vlog that I already dropped, but today is definitely a weekend in my life. This is the weekend before my birthday week, so September 27th, y'all already know it's my birthday. Woo 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 woo. If you don't know, now you know. September 27th is my birthday and your girl's traveling. I'm traveling. Guess where I'm traveling to? I'll wait. If you don't, well, not if you don't know, because y'all don't know where I'm traveling. I'm not going to tell y'all until I come back and then have the vlog ready. But I am traveling to one of my dream places. Like, can't wait to just check it off the bucket list. But comment down below, let me know where you guys think I'm going to go. Just definitely know somewhere. Should I give you a hint? But today my siblings and my mom wanted to take me out to eat before I travel, because I am going to be traveling this week, and this is the fit. It's giving me, you know, purple and silver. Look at the bag. We gotta get into the bag. I'm a silver girl. Like, I like the diamonds. I like all of that good stuff. Like, gold is cool, but I like silver. I really like silver a lot. I don't know why I'm saying dinner, but it's not dinner. It's actually lunch, because right now it's not even 6 o'clock yet. So we're still basically in lunch vibes. So we're going to this place called Panil. Oh my gosh, I can't pronounce it, but I'm gonna put the description, the place where I'm going out to eat, in the description down below. And yeah, it's gonna be a mom and my siblings, well, all the girls, so all girls type of lunch date. And I'm excited because, yeah, why not? I'm about to travel, and y'all already know how it is. When it's time to travel, you just gotta like get everything together. Like, I haven't gotten my nails done because, I haven't gotten my nails done because I'm trying to wait until it's closer to vacay time. You know what I mean? The girls, they get it. And I want my nails to breathe, so I want to get my lashes done and my nails and my hair done. So I'm just kind of like chilling right now. You know, I'm just chilling. But just wait until everything is done, because y'all gonna see the maintenance prep vlog. I'm gonna do a little like maintenance prep vlog before I go, because it'd be a lot to get yourself together before vacay. I gotta get my nails done too, like I just said, my lashes. I want to do a facial, and I want to go to like the wax center too. So like, it's just a lot I'm gonna have to get done before I leave. But anyway, I'm rapping, and I got all my fits together, y'all. Like, I literally got all my fits together. Oh, and guess what? And like, this birthday trip, the reason I'm so excited for this birthday trip, because it's a surprise birthday trip. Like, a birthday trip, and the itinerary, he made the itinerary, every single thing, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, like, all I'm doing is just worrying about my fits. Like, I'm not worrying about nothing else but my fits. The itinerary is made. Y'all, like, I tried on the one size powder. I don't know if I like it that much. It's too like matte. I don't know how to explain it. I gotta fix my hair too, y'all. I gotta put this to cover my hair, because nobody could be catching me slipping on these streets. I'm gonna see you guys when I get there, so I can save my batteries. I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. All right, y'all. Bye. We're at the restaurant. They're giving us valet parking, complimentary valet parking. Oh, we do a spin. Turn around. Yeah, turn around. Spin. Okay, Mom. Record. This is their menu. Thank you. Thank you.
Anything else I could grab you to enjoy your dinner?
10 out of 10. I'm not gonna lie. Like, this food is really, really good, y'all. And the vibe too. The vibe is really, really nice. But I'm about to go back to eating with my family. So I'll talk to you guys when we're done. Bye. Go to the mixed vegetable.
Okay. You gonna ask me questions or what?
Yeah. How do you feel about this place?
I enjoy it so much. I started here about a month ago, and I've got a great staff, great chef, and I just think we're gonna do some great things. Up and coming, we do have a seasonal menu coming, and I'll tell you what, it's gonna be delicious. It's gonna knock your socks off. For all of y'all. All right? My name's Matt. I'm the general manager, but we have an unbelievable staff ready to take great care of you.
You're so glad you chose this place over Black Swan. I've never been to Black Swan. I know mommy would never like Black Swan. Yeah. I know I thought that. Wait, can you say it in English, please, for the people? We're just eating and enjoying ourselves and literally just having a good life, living the best life with our gorgeous mother. Look at this food. I wonder if someone's on my teeth. All she does is at home, like yeah. Oh, wow.
I got you. I'm gonna move this a little to the side.
Three beautiful women. I gotta do a good job.
No, this is nice. Oh my God, you gotta sing happy birthday, you guys. Oh, this is so cute. Thank you. Birthday girl. Birthday shenanigans.
Shenanigans.
You have flags.
Shenanigans.
Flags. Happy birthday. Thank you. Wow. Yo, this is amazing. No, this was good. This is amazing. Wow. So good. This is cake. One and only for me here. Wow. I know, they really spoiled me. Like, this is crazy. Wow. So cute. No, it's okay. Thank you. Wow. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. Thank you. Happy birthday. Thank you. To goodness, long life, prosperity, more prosperity. Amen. Thank you, Mom. Are you having a good time? I'm having a great time. Let me go ahead and sip my drink real quick. So good. It's okay. The manager, the manager, that's not having a meeting at church. I didn't get champagne. The fact that the manager actually brought this out for me is insane. You said you want influencer, so I'm gonna give you influencer style. Period. Yeah, let me tell you something. So, you see how there's one candle right there? See how there's one candle? You're supposed to get two candles and guess who ate it? The candle monster. The candle monster. It's the next day, Saturday, at 7:57 a.m. I'm up and early. Oh my gosh. I feel like I have my morning voice. I just hate how, like, when you wake up and, like, your voice already different. You know what I mean? So, anyway, yesterday was amazing. Like, shout out to my family for taking me out for an early pre-birthday dinner. Anyway, so today is Saturday. I'm going to PA, Pennsylvania, and I'm gonna go to this place called Sightandsound. And it's basically just a place where it brings the stories in the Bible to life. I'm really excited to go, so y'all gonna come with me for this whole weekend. Cause I'm in my office, but this is what I'm gonna be wearing in the car. I slightly just wrapped my hair because I just didn't feel like doing my hair, guys. I forgot to tell you guys, yesterday my camera literally broke. Like, this camera I'm on right now, I had my my tripod on it. I was trying to unscrew it because I wanted it to be tighter, not knowing I was making it looser. So it fell down in the sink. It fell down on the sink in the bathroom, and my whole lens kind of like bent a little bit. I wish I could show you guys. I don't know how to show you, but my whole lens was bent. I was so sad. I was like, oh my goodness, I'm about to travel and my camera is not trying to work. Like, what is going on? But thank you, Lord Jesus, for fixing my camera, because I don't know what I would do with this camera, without this camera right now. Okay, well, he's here, so I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Bye. Sheesh, y'all. There we got caramel frappuccino. Thank you. I just got here. It's called have like an interior part. Ooh, you can also like shop too. Oh, this is nice. I love a nude. Crazy. And they sell clothes. Oh my gosh. Don't go away. Hey, kitty.
No.
It's a little tour of the Airbnb. This is a kitchen. This is something. So let's go straight to the bathroom. So this is a kitchen. This place is like really nice and really cozy because there's not a lot of us here. Right? This is me, you guys. This is a bathroom. Cute, cute. Okay. The kitchen is cool. The fridge. I always gotta open up the fridge. Every time in an Airbnb, I gotta open the fridge to see what's in here. Are y'all clean or whatever? It's very like cozy, very homey. I would say this place is actually very homey. And then, let's see what's in this door. That one is locked. And that one is locked. I wonder what they had in there. But this is the walkway. Cute, cute. This is my room. This is one of the rooms, but technically this is my room. This is nice. And a full-size mirror because why not? And then the closet. And then this is another room, which is nice too. I like the little fake design they try to do up here. I thought that was really cute. There's another room. So, and then this is the closet space of that room, which is cool too. Ooh, cool too. And then the walkway. Back to the walkway. So yeah, the house is very cozy. I'm not gonna lie, like the house is very cozy. It's not as big as the pictures, but like I would say like it's really clean in here and it's really nice. It's just, it gives like a cozy feel, like a home type of feel, like it's cute. Right here, Sightandsound, baby. Yeah. Oh, it's almost again the the building is mad huge. Like, what? Are you kidding me? You walk in, this is what it looks like. The concession stand. This eater is cute.
Is the basket still there? Yes. Mama, what do we do if the Egyptian soldiers see us?
I don't know. I'm trusting that God sees us. Miriam, hurry. Get down. Shh.
who I am and every step I've done.
Moses. Remember this day for all generations to come. For this is the day that I will cause death to pass over you and give you life.
Alright, 10 out of 10 experience. Crazy! I couldn't record every single thing because obviously they said we can't do it. So we tried our best, but 10 out of 10 experience, you hear me? Like, I'm mind blown. Like, this is crazy. Oh my gosh. Y'all gotta come and see this place, Sight and Sound Theater. Y'all gotta come and experience this joint. It's too good. Like, what? Good morning. Good morning, 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 good morning. Hey guys, so today is the next day. Oh man, like, I'm so tired. I'm so tired, y'all. It don't even make no sense. But today is the next day. Your girl's up and early in the morning. We're still in PA. I didn't feel like doing my hair, so I would have sat instead. Doesn't this hat look so cute? Like, this hat look really cute on me. And I'm not gonna give it back to him. But this hat looks mad cute. Like, what? Anyway, we're gonna do it online. As we're driving back home, we're just gonna listen to church. But yeah, y'all, my skin is popping. Y'all see my skin? We're probably gonna get something to eat on the way back home. And I'm supposed to hang out with my sister to go to a tailor and like get her outfit made and stuff. But y'all, look at my skin. No, we gotta zoom into my skin because my skin is really popping. Oh, y'all, guess what? So I got a surprise birthday gift today. I'm gonna show you guys on camera before he comes out. Alright, so this is surprise gift number 2. So surprise gift number 1 was a surprise trip. So definitely that he made the itinerary, everything was made. All I have to do is worry about my fits, but it's a surprise trip that he's taking me to. And then also I got this. But this is a drone, you guys. He got me a drone, like, and these drones are really, really good. Like, really, 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 really good. I always wanted a drone. And he got me a really good one. Hopefully, y'all are able to see an upcoming vlog from me, especially using the drone. I'm so impressed, but
Doing outside God that will amount to anything. There is nothing. It is a matter. I don't care how successful you see yourself now, but it will amount to anything. It will amount to nothing.
Zombie vibe. I wish I showed you guys what we did today.
This is the end of the vlog.
I wish I showed you what happened today, but y'all, this is the end of the vlog. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye. She wants to be in it.
Bye.
Now I want to hit the button.